myself Dr. Ishita Jakhanwal. I'm practicing in know about her from many of my juniors and my seniors attending her courses and seeing them rise in this field. So it was very much motivating for. So you can just name any facial procedure, and we had performed it on patients on all type of patients, including facial threads, that is lifting, Botox, fillers, importance, treatment plans, chemical peels, and various types of lasers, including fractional lasers, carbon peels, then HIFU, chin lift, face lift, everything. Had a lot of questions regarding marketing, how the marketing should be managed in this field and all. So how to compete with everybody, how to come in the market. So that was a full complete session taken by. Most important thing for me is I should be convinced of the change or the transformation that I could make on patients. So we were not only on patients, we were allowed to perform on ourselves. So we could see the instant transformation on ourselves itself. So that was very motivating.